Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. The goal of my YouTube channel is to make home cooking practical, creative, and fun, so that you can cook every day, spending less than 30 minutes to prepare a meal from scratch using all fresh and unprocessed ingredients. By the end, you will not feel tired, exhausted, or bored. Instead, you will feel a sense of relief, an achievement, and also a good closure for the day. I know you probably love to cook, or at least you would like to make home cooking as part of your everyday life. And this is probably why you're watching this video. Looking for a way to make home cooking as part of your daily routine, using it as a way to provide you the best nutrition, and making it an activity that you will enjoy to do every day. These are the exact reason that I developed my fast cooking system. Looking for a way that I could cook every day, knowing what I put into my body, and at the same time cooking food that I really enjoy and nobody else could cook for me. The word fast is the 4 attribute of this cooking system. They stand for flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir frying, and template-based cooking. Among these 4 attributes, stir frying is the heart of the cooking system. Stir frying is the best technique for the modern lifestyle, being practical because of its simplicity, and being efficient because it can cook a dish in a very short amount of time, and being healthy because it do not overcook the food ingredients, and being flexible, you can cook almost any food that you want. In this video, I'm going to give you tips on stir frying, increasing your efficiency in stir frying, making your stir frying experience more enjoyable, allowing you the opportunity to continue to improve your stir frying technique, and also providing you the flexibility in cooking the type of dishes that you want. Tip number 1 is most important. Always use woks without non-stick coating. And there are 4 common types. They are carbon steel, light cast iron, and stainless steel woks. This type of woks could be seasoned to create a non-stick cook surface, and you don't have to worry about the non-stick coating coming off from these woks. They are far more durable, almost indestructible, and they will last you for a lifetime. Using this type of woks, before you learn how to properly season them, could be challenging because food could stick and burn to the surface of the woks. Once you know how to season and maintain them, they are absolutely superior than woks with non-stick coating. You will have much greater enjoyment in cooking in this type of woks with a sense of freedom and creativity. Tip number 2, season the wok each time before a cooking session using my smart seasoning method. You can take a look at this video for more details on how this method works. This method works well for all 4 types of woks with natural surfaces: carbon steel, light cast iron, and stainless steel. This method is simple and fast. It provides a guarantee for a non-stick cook surface. Tip number 3, to get a wok at least 13 inches wide. And the perfect wok for most home kitchen is a 14-inch wok. Cooking in a wok is completely scalable, from frying an egg to cook a large portion of fried rice. Therefore, a large wok has distinct advantage. It has more room for stir frying, and it reduces the likelihood for spillage. And with more room to stir fry the content, it makes stir frying a better experience. Tip number 4, use a dedicated wok spatula that are designed for stir frying, rather than using other type of spatula that are for just general frying. Wok spatulas are designed specifically for stir-frying in a wok with the right angle and curvature according to the size of the wok. And the size of the blade of the wok spatula is just the right size for maneuvering inside the wok during stirring. The handle of the wok spatula is longer. It will keep the hand safe away from the heat that are generated by the wok as well as by the stove. The best wok spatula is the one that I've shown here, which is a 16-inch stainless steel wok spatula. It is well built, sturdy, aesthetically pleasing, and will last for a lifetime. Tip number 5. Make sure you find a wok that can sit firmly on your stove without wobbling, shifting, or spinning. And this is particularly true if you cook on a flat glass top electric range. Some wok material, such as carbon steel, will change shape after they have been heated up. This will cause them to wobble, sometimes even spinning if you cook on a flat cooked surface. Because a wok that is not firmly seated on the surface of the stove could make the stir-frying process challenging or almost impossible. Tip number 6. Get a wok just about the right weight for you to handle easily, because you need to transfer the wok from the stove to the sink for washing between cooking multiple dishes. The wok I'm using is a 14-inch Cuisinart stainless steel wok. It is the lightest wok on the market. It is just the right weight for me. The weight of the wok makes a big difference to me in how I enjoy the stir-frying process. Tip number 7. Get a wok with a handle that you feel comfortable to move the wok around. I prefer woks with handles that are insulated so I can move the wok when it is still hot. I also prefer woks with a long handle so I can hang on to them during the process of stir-frying and to steady the wok. I also prefer wok with a smaller second handle, frequently known as a helper handle, that will allow you to carry the wok with both hands if necessary. I use a Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok, and it meets all these 7 criteria, making it to be my favorite wok. I would like to emphasize again how important these 7 tips are to help you to get the most out of your stir-frying experience. Stir-frying is a dynamic and interactive process. When it works well, it is probably one of the most enjoyable and gratifying cooking experience. These 7 tips will help you to set up an environment that is fine-tuned and optimized for your stir-frying. Using these 7 tips as starting point, it will help you to continue to improve your stir-frying environment based on your personal preference and individual circumstances. I post a video each day to help you to make home cooking as part of your daily routines using my fast cooking system. And the word FAST is the acronym for flavor chasing, advanced prepping, stir-frying, and template-based cooking. Using this cooking system, you will make your home cooking practical, efficient, fun, and creative. If you want to learn more about this cooking system, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep on cooking. I will see you tomorrow.